Hello friends, my name is Shivam from DevOps Schools and I will help you to enable your learning process in various technologies of DevOps, artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data and many more. This is our initiative to help you by sharing multiple tutorials and videos. And if you want any specific tutorials or any particular topic, then please do comment in the below comment section and I will help you with it. Also, please subscribe to our premium services on YouTube, which will give you access to more content and videos to enhance your knowledge about all these topics. Also, if you want me to help you with regards to the online trainings and classroom sessions by our qualified trainers, then please do write me at contact@devopsschool.com. Thank you.
Just refresh it. Harsh index.
Yeah.
Have you observed? Correct.
Yeah, but why it is coming
This
back
stuff you have to
again?
remove.
Because I
This stuff you have
remove
to
all.
remove. Hello?
I can remove head, but header.
No. Don't manipulate this index.html. Go to app.component.html. app.component.html. Harsh,
Yeah.
not in the core module. Correct. This file. Remove everything from this file. Hey, you open CSS. I told HTML. Select all. Control A. Control A. Remove everything. Provide. Shilpa, already in use. Shilpa, you can use ng space serve space hyphen port 4250 space -o. Harsh, now you're able to see this Harsh app, correct?
Yeah.
Correct. So now inside this app header component, the way I told you, right? Harsh, can you complete the stuff now?
Yeah, I can do it.
Okay, sure. Now I'll share my screen.
Abhi,
Shilpa, you have to fire hyphen. Oh, Shilpa, just a second. Shilpa, I'll give you the command. Okay, just fire it at your end.
Yep.
Serve
Sure.
hyphen port 4250 -o. Your port got occupied. Okay, so that's the reason we'll execute it on another port by specifying hyphen port. Got the point?
Okay, yeah. Thank you.
So yeah, no issues. People, you're right. Core module we imported it, right? That's it. Now go to the core.module.ts, everyone. Go to the core.module.ts and can you introduce this exports at your end? Well, have you provided this exports part now? Please let me know.
Yes, Abhi, you're done.
What about this? Harsh, Balaji?
Yes, Abhi.
Yeah, done, Abhi.
Okay.
Yes, Abhi, done.
Done. Okay. Chalo. No issues. Purnima, is it done? Raghu? Sai Prabha? Sorry, Sasi Prabha? Anyone is facing the problem? Please let me know. Sudhindra? Anupriya? Okay, let's move to the next part now. So people, rendering a simple message and rendering the entire component stuff, one and the same, correct? From the understanding perspective.
Abhi, sorry to interrupt.
Yes, Vidya?
The export,
Tell me.
Yeah, the export is included and the import is also included, but I don't see the changes in my
Over the UI, you are not
the,
able to find out any changes, right?
right.
You mean to say?
Yeah, right.
Okay, Vidya, do one thing. In that case, na, even the same kind of story is happening with me. Every time, have you observed that I'm terminating the current execution and again I'm restarting it?
Correct.
So could you please follow the same thing at your end?
Okay. But when I change the index, the text over there, it changes automatically.
Is the
Okay,
is that
just a second.
thing
Just a
app
second.
component
I'll tell you.
updated?
I'll tell you the reason. See, some whenever you do some module level changes, right?
Mm-hmm.
Hello. When you
Okay.
do some module level
Yeah.
changes, right? It's better to take a restart.
Okay.
It's better to take a restart. Got the point?
Okay.
Yes. Yeah, Mati, you were saying something. Am I calling you Mati? Is it fine now? Mati Selva Kumar?
Yeah, it is fine. It is fine. Yeah, I just asked whether that AMP component.html is also updated with the relevant
Yes. Yes, Mati.
tag so that it is not working for her. Just ask for her.
Okay.
Yeah. It is. I have updated it with app header. The selectors I have given it here, Mali, but I just
Just a
don't
second.
see the
Vidya,
changes.
we'll do one thing. Just a second. Vidya, you're using, okay. I'm giving you the presenter access, Vidya. You please share the screen quickly so that quickly we'll sort it out and we can move.
Okay. You're able to see my screen?
Not now. Yes, now we are able to see. App
Okay.
header, app landing, app footer. Correct. Now you did it correctly.
Oh, yeah.
It's
It
working.
works now. Okay.
Ah,
But I didn't do anything else. I
no.
just kept refreshing it.
Okay. Got updated
Okay.
now properly. That's
Okay.
fine. It happens sometimes. No worries. Okay, but if it is not showing anything now. Vidya, sorry.
Mm-hmm.
You should do one thing. You should terminate the current execution, restart it once, look into that. It will give you the, either it will give you the error or it will render the things. One of the things will happen
Okay.
definitely. Okay, now
Okay. So what was the command to terminate it, Abhi?
Control C with here.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, now
Thank you.
yeah, it's welcome, no problem. We will now have a look over here. This navbar content, it's already defined, am I right? People are getting my point or not? I have given a file, correct? There, can you find out landing.html, everyone?
Yes.
So if you go to the landing.html, right, so there from line number 17 till line number 42, navigation contents are already written.
The nav
Correct.
bar.
Now, can I do one thing? Can I copy this content and can I go to layout header.component.html instead of this message? Can I provide that stuff? And let's have a look over the UI. People, it's showing all the links, correct?
Okay.
People, again, I'll tell you what I've done. I have shared one zip file with you, correct? Dev connector theme. Hello. I have shared one folder called dev connector theme. Inside that, are you able to find out login.html? Inside this login.html, can you go to line number 17? In line number 17, from 17 to 42, copy that stuff and add it into which page? Header.component.html.
Yeah, done.
Done? Good to go? Balaji, kindly repeat what would be the next step after the core module TS and app module TS. Balaji, you have to run the application, that's it. And after that, we're replacing those single liner messages with actual content. Clear? Okay, next. Now, in the same way,
Abhinandan, sorry,
hello. Yes, Deepak?
my browser is like I think I have uncommented something, or I have not added those app footer and app. Uh,
What you're saying, I didn't get your point, Deepak.
Actually, that app footer, app header, and all you wrote it somewhere. I don't know where you wrote that.
Inside the app component.html, Deepak, here I have done it. Okay, I'll wait for a minute. You just note it down.
Abhi, can you paste the content in chart? What are the content you are going to add inside the header component HTML?
Just a second. Venkat, I'll do one thing. Like, instead of that, now I have a best option. You'll get the complete, because in GoToMeeting wala the chat part, right? Finding out the stuff bit difficult for you people. I'll give you one solution, okay?
My app component has lot of values. Should I all delete them?
Yes, you can delete it, shift delete it directly.
Okay.
People, can you access this link? Venkata, could you please quickly confirm this link is accessible to you or in your environment? Earlier it is, but need to check every month because sometimes they may change the policies.
Yeah, checking.
It is accessible. It's a plain notepad, right?
It's a note. Correct. For example, now have a look over here. There I'm writing hello. Are you able to see hello over there?
Yes. Yeah.
I've written hello everyone. So people, it's a live sharing, okay? So whatever the stuff, I'll put it over here. Every one of you will get it so that you can quickly copy paste from your end. Is it fine?
Yeah, that's fine. It's loading. Let me check.
I have removed it. Now I have added the HTML stuff. That header part, right? I have added it. Deepak, you can take it from there.
Yeah, I'm typing out. Just a moment.
அந்த பாட்டு பாடக்கூடாது தூங்காதே தம்பி தூங்காதே சோம்பேறி நீ சோம்பேறி என்ற பெயர் வாங்க
Vidya,
Something is missing for me. I don't know. It's not loading.
What
I
happened?
share my. I'm still getting empty browser.
Just a second. Deepak, please share the screen.
Okay.
I'll give you the access. Just a second.
Okay.
Yeah, I can't able to see that content.
No, it is Venkata. Is it available over there? Just a second. People, you have to copy paste. Is Venkata? It's available. Check it now.
Okay, let me refresh.
Just refresh it once.
Yeah, it's available. It's available. It's available.
Now it came actually.
Okay.
Thanks.
Okay. No problem.
So, Abhi, actually, I'm facing some issues. Can I share my screen for a while?
Just a second. Gajlakshmi, I'll give you the presenter access. Okay.
Sure. Can you see this error?
Yes.
How do I resolve this? So in app component.html, I have added these.
Okay. See, Gajalakshmi, your app module.ts is open. Okay. Go and save that file.
Okay.
Then it will find out the things. Save it.
Oh, fine. So it will be closed. Yeah, I did. Okay.
Yes.
So now
Just a second.
can
Let
I
it finish.
compile it
and let-
once again?
Yeah, it's going to do it. No issues.
Oh.
The problem is
Okay,
happening
fine.
at mine
Thank you.
because of caching. Okay, but I don't think so. It will happen at your end.
Okay, sure.
So it's just a second. It's not able to find out. Okay. Could you please go to the line number 6, app.core. Have you created something? Okay, just a second. Do one thing. Go to the app.module.ts file.
App.model.ts, is it? Okay.
Could you please remove the line number 6? Shift delete.
Okay.
Now go to the, now you are able to see error on the core module, correct? Line number 9.
Yes.
Line number 9, I
Yes.
said. Just
Yeah.
go to the core module ka end part and use control space. Not there. Line number 9.
Okay.
Your cursor is blinking. That is the correct position. Use control space.
Sure.
Not there. You were on a correct
Here.
point. Correct. Now here use control space.
Okay.
Why it is not able to take core module? Could you please show me your core module? Open the core module TS. You forgot comma, line number 13. That's the reason it's not allowing. End part.
Here is it?
Move next. Move to next. Put a comma, save it. Now come to the app.module.ts. Still it's showing some error. Just a second, something went wrong with this only. Now check it over the control space. Is it giving the? No, it's not. Go to the core.module.ts file again.
I think comma is given after exports. Yeah.
Remove that comma.
Do we have to remove this?
Exports end with comma.
Yes. Save it now.
No, if I save, actually comma is getting entered automatically.
That is coming because of Prettier. That is not a problem. Just do one thing.
Mhm.
Just go to the core module. The error it is showing, right? Just keep the cursor over there. No, not there. Line number 14. Line number 14.
Oh, in app module itself. Okay.
Experimental decorator. What's wrong with this? Specifications are the correct one only. Okay. Okay. Gajalakshmi, do one thing. Open your
Okay.
app.module.ts file.
Okay.
Go to the line number 3. Go to the line number 3.
Okay.
Type IMP. Press enter. No. Go back. Type IMP.
Okay.
Press enter. Press enter key. It will generate the import statement. You're not. The first one you have to pick. The first one. The first IMP. So now there, just press back button. Okay, instead of module. See, correct. So now there, what
Mhm.
you need to do, type dot slash
Dot
slash.
slash, is it okay?
Are you able to
Okay.
find out core folder over there, correct?
Yeah. This one,
Pick
right?
it. Yes, correct. Slash core
Components.
mod. No. Why are you going for components? You need to import module, correct?
Okay.
Use control space. Use core module, last one.
Okay.
Right. Complete the code. Okay. Now module name is what? Core module. You have to put it in a curly brackets. Remove that. Remove the module name word. Type CORE.
Should be core, right?
CORE. Yes, I'm telling you, type CORE. Use control
Yeah, I did.
space. And now it's showing core module, right? Pick it.
Yeah. Okay.
Save it now.
Yes, I did.
It was not able to read it manually. Okay. Sorry, it was not
Okay,
able to
now
read
it
it
shows compiled
automatically. Now
successfully.
what I have
Okay.
done, we provided it
Mhm.
manually. Okay. So go to the UI and check it quickly.
Okay.
Open your app.component.html file. Okay. Open your core.module.ts. Have you done the exports?
Core.modular.ts, right? Okay.
Yes. Exports, you have done it. Now let me do one thing. Could you please
Okay.
terminate this one once, and could you please up the application again?
Sure, I'll do that. ngserve -o, right?
Yes, same command, true.
Okay. Yes,
It's
now I
working.
got it.
It's working.
Yes.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah, it's okay. No, people. One kindly request from my end. Okay, don't say thank you and sorry. Okay, that is fine. Now, next part. Well, in a similar way, right? Your people already landing contents you are able to see, right? It is
One
from line
question.
number 45 to 60. Deepak, is it working at your
Text
end
in the
also?
comment chat, Abhi.
It's working, Abhi. One question is like, when you give the export, right? Export that component is available for the whole project, is it? Even though import is
Throughout the
only at the
application,
module.
Deepak. But throughout the application, those components can be accessed. But in which module you need it, in that module, you have to import the core module.
Okay, the module, we cannot import only the component, is it?
No.
Okay, so first, when we import
Yes.
the module, automatically all the components will be available.
Automatically, if you import the module, right? Automatically, right? See, here, right? For importing purpose, right? So here, what they have done, you import the module, okay? So in that module, right? Whatever the things are eligible for the exporting, right? You get the access.
Okay.
Here, the
Sure.
structuring, they have done it like that. We can't do anything.
Okay, sure. Thanks.
Yeah. Okay. So yes, Venkata, you were asking something?
Yeah, can you paste it in live chat? This one.
Just a second.
Yeah.
I have pasted it. Okay, now people, the same stuff where we need it now.
Hmm.
Do you need to replace it with our landing component TS HTML, right?
Hmm.
Here, I'm going to replace it. I'll save it.
Okay.
If I'll go to the UI, people, now we are able to see, but the stuff is not appropriate, correct? Because the reason is Bootstrap is not applied. So let's complete the footer and then we'll come for the how to bring the Bootstrap into the picture. We will have provided the footer contents over the Notepad PW. You will get it. Well, it's rendering all the contents, but it doesn't look like our expected one, correct? People, are you able to see this? It's rendering entire content, correct? But it doesn't look like our expected one, correct or not?
Yes.
So here, what we need to do? Here, we have to apply the bootstrapping. Is it clear? Because whatever the beautification stuff that you are able to see over here, right? Here, everywhere we have used the bootstrap classes. Clear, everyone?
Yes. Yes.
Definitely. Huh? Okay. Yeah. Thanks. Bye. Sorry, everyone. I was on a call. Sorry for that. Here, right? If you observe, here are able to see this CSS classes, correct? These are the bootstrap classes. These are the bootstrap classes. So now in this case, what we need to do? Here we need to enable the bootstrap, correct? For that purpose, we'll hit one site called getbootstrap.com. Everyone, can you do it at your end? Otherwise, wait for a minute. I will show you all the things and the stuff, right? I'll show you what to do now. Here, I need to bring the bootstrap specifications over here. For that purpose, I'm going to use CDN. This is my CSS CDN. Okay, next one is my bootstrap JS related CDN, bootstrap mean.js stuff. So all this stuff, right, I have provided on Notepad PW. All this stuff I have provided on Notepad PW. Okay. The next part is what? Now what do you need to do? Well, you need to now this bootstrap CSS classes. Are we going to use throughout the application?
Yes, for the footer.
Yes, header and footer we are using entire thing.
As of now, Venkata, but if we'll think about it, right, from the application perspective, right, we're going to utilize it for bootstrap is required for my entire application. Hello.
To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the $399 plan and grow your skills immensely.
Yeah.
whatever the parts, right? Upcoming parts also come, right? Future modules also, right? So there, but obviously I'm going to use Bootstrap, correct? So what is the expectation over here? We have a simple expectation that this particular stuff, right, should be applicable for the entire application. Now tell me this Bootstrap CDN specifications, what I'll do, I'll go to my index.html. Well, index.html will act as an entry point for your entire application or not? Agree?
Yes. Yeah.
Point number one. Point number two is, now tell me the CDNs, this Bootstrap specifications are required for my components. And it may happen that over the index.html also, can we utilize some HTML contents? And again, where we may have the requirement of Bootstrap, right? From these two aspects, what I'll do, I'll go to the head tag. The contents already I have pasted on Notepad PW, okay? I'll just paste it over here and I'll save it. Where did I paste it? Inside the index.html. I'll find out a tag called head.html. Sorry, head tag. Inside the head tag, I'll place it. All of you clear with this or not? Now, go and have a look over the application. What happened?
You pasted it to not, I mean, outside the
Notepad
tag.
PW. I have already done it over there. Notepad PW is not loading.
No, you didn't copy the links. You copied the CSS directly.
Just a second. I'll just refresh it at my end. We will now check it. Okay, for me, people, just a second. I need to take a restart. Okay. Every time
But
I have
Abhi,
to take.
is this correct?
We need to copy the links, no?
Yes, we have to copy the links and you have to put it inside the index.html.
You did wrong, I
Shouldn't
guess.
that be given inside the head?
You have
Should that
pasted
be
wrong
given
thing
inside the head tag?
Just a second, people. What is the confusion? Tell me.
You have pasted. You
Is
should
that
paste the link.
Line number
BC
4.
dark?
People, could you please talk one by one?
Line number 4. You have
Huh?
only the text. PG
It's
dark
not at
text
the
white.
script tag.
People, just a second. Well, just a second. Nah. At my end also, right? Bootstrap is not working. Just a second.
Maybe you have not copied the links instead of you have copied the text.
Oh, I got the point.
Line number 4. Yeah, you're supposed to copy.
There I have copied. Sorry, my mistake.
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry. Now we will have a look over here. This BG dark is coming from where?
Below the head tag, Abhi.
Line number 20.
This one got copied actually. So we'll have a look over here. Now here, right? Bootstrap is applied. Agree, everyone? People, that Bootstrap content is visible, right? Link tag, script, 1, 2, 3 script, and 1 link tag, correct? Balaji?
Correct.
Yes, yes.
Okay, chalo. One thing is sorted. Okay, now we will have a look over here. I'll just open this page, okay? People, what's the difference? Let me remove from the understanding perspective, right? Let me remove the h1 tag also. I'll look from app component also. Let me remove it now. Now have a look over here. People, navbar is same. Agree?
Yeah,
Footer,
navbar is same.
footer is also same, right? Landing contents are same, right? But have a look over here. Contents are rendered, right? Button and contents, right? But people, what is the problem? Image, right?
Right.
People, are you getting my point or not? Content,
Yes.
everything is same.
Yeah.
Okay. But image is not rendered. All of you clear with this or not?
Yeah.
Correct. Now we have to sort out this problem. That is fine. Okay, everybody, all of us are on the same page.
Yes,
Everyone.
sir. Yeah.
Okay, chalo. Balaji saying can't find it still. Balaji, everyone is able to access Balaji. Just a second, Balaji. For you, what I'll do? I'll paste it in a chat. Okay. Balaji, you take it from the chat. Okay, chalo. Now everybody is on the same page. Now let's sort it out. The next problem. Yeah, in the next problem, right, people, only this image part is problematic to us, correct? Okay, now let me come to this, right? People, do you have this image? First question. Our work is going to start from this point, correct? This image, right? We don't have this image, right? Then how it will render? That is a problem. All of you agree with this?
Yes.
Correct.
Yeah.
Now, in this case, right, this image we need it. Now here, what I'll do, I'll just copy this image. Now the next question is here, where shall I keep this image? What is the exact position as per the standard? People, you know, in old Java servlet JSP or Spring MVC related projects, when you'll handle it, right? So there you will keep all these things under a folder, correct or not? JS folder, you were creating it. All JavaScripts, you'll keep it over there. jQuery, CSS, image, HTML, like that. Agree? Now, like that,
Yeah.
whatever the media contents that you need it for your entire application, we'll keep it into a folder called assets. We'll keep it into a folder called assets. So I pasted inside the assets. Is it clear or not? So this IMG folder I copied from there and I pasted it. All of you done with this?
No.
Okay, I'll wait for a minute.
Abhi, when you get a chance, I'm not getting those header, footer, and landing somehow. I was getting it, but now I'm not getting it in the
Okay,
web
Shilpa,
page.
no issues. Just a second.
Okay, sure.
Shilpa, you can share the screen now.
Okay. Not getting the sharing option.
Screen. Are you able to find out a screen button over there?
Yeah, but it's disabled.
No, you are the presenter actually. I have. Uh, now you're the presenter, Shilpa. You can share it. Hello.
Uh, Okay, I joined from app also actually, and laptop maybe. Uh,
Just a second, just a second. So you logged in via two systems.
yes, because from my laptop headphone has some issue, so I was not
Just a
able,
second.
like,
Then what is the another one name? You just let me know.
Shilpa only.
Where is Harsh is there? I have given it to Shilpa Junjunwala. Is okay for
Yeah,
that.
the
For that name only I have given it.
other, yeah,
Okay, so
other Shilpa
other one.
Jhunjhunwala.
Just a second. I got it
Yeah,
now. Shilpa, now you can.
yeah, I can share now.
Shilpa, do one thing. The one you are going to use it na for the sharing purpose, right? So there you just
Mm-hmm.
mention Shilpa space laptop. Okay, so I'll get the clarity. I can give you the
Okay,
access.
sure.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll do that. Yeah, okay.
Now what is the
Uh,
problem?
I'm not getting any errors, but here, okay, now suddenly it started working. Okay, it was not working.
It happens because in the background, right? We are expecting immediately. Okay, it has to
Oh
compile
God,
everything.
okay.
Yeah, that is the problem. No issues.
Okay. Yeah, thank you. Yeah.
Okay, now the next point. All of you done till this, right? Now the only issue is with the image, correct? So image also we copied it, and for this image part, right? Well, already CSS work is done. Are you able to see this? For image, we have written it, correct? And here you're able to see this dot landing, right? If we look into app not auth landing.component.html, if we look into this, right? Are you able to see this landing over here? This landing, it is an user defined class. Okay, this landing is an user defined class. This class is already defined, but what we need to do, people, we need to bring this CSS into our application or not. We need to bring the CSS into our application, correct? Now for that purpose we will get three options. One is component.css, right? Second one is app.component.css, and third one is global CSS. People, this is your landing.component.css, right? That is nothing but, from our discussion, component.css. Second point, can I put it into app.component.css? Third point, the global CSS. Now, to get the clarity regarding this global CSS, people, are you able to use styles.css, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
This styles.css, let me find out the script tag. Okay, now have a look over here. This styles.css, right? It is your global CSS. Okay, and again, this configuration, it's done inside the angular.json. People, have a look over here. Did you get the integration, right? And if you look into this index.html, right, this CSS styles.css file is not included, right? Now where it is integrated, this integration is happening again with them or not. Second thing, src assets folder, this one is also integrated, right? Anupriya, Balaji, Jyoti, Purnima, is it clear? Sudhindra, correct? So here all the integrations are done in which file? Inside the angular.js. Sorry, angular.json, correct? Now, here, first of all, what I'll do, I'll take you to the landing.component.css. Here I'll paste it. After pasting, people have a look over here. Is it giving us the error for? It's giving us an error, correct? Is it giving the error for the URL or not? Why? Because it is not able to find out this showcase image path. So here what we need to do? Do we need to provide the path or not? Now which path do we need to provide, people? Dot dot slash 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 assets image, correct? We need to get the understanding of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dot dot slash I have used, correct? So the first dot dot slash will take you to the landing, agree? Second one to the footer, third one to the layout, fourth one to the components, fifth one to the core level. That is nothing but you're under the SRC level or not. Once you'll reach to the SRC level, can you find out assets or not?
Yes.
Correct. So we found the assets folder. Rest of the path it was showing in a drop down way, correct? Now let me take you to the sorry for just give me a minute. Sorry everyone. People, now images applied to the background or not? People, here the most important thing is, did you get how to provide the path or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Right now it looks like as per our expectation one. Now we are not able to find out any difference between our angular ka homepage and the actual landing.html, correct? So we set it properly, right everyone? What about others? Sudhindra, is it working? Umesh? Vidya, Vignesh, Jyoti, Mati?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I'm good.
Yeah, okay. Purnima? Gajalakshmi, is it done?
Actually, no, Abhi, it's not working. I'm not getting
is the
any error
problem?
also. Maybe I'm not getting any
Gajalakshmi,
error, but
whatever it is, Gajalakshmi, whatever it is, not only about you, everyone. Whenever you are facing any issues, right, please speak. Let me know. I will help you to sort out.
sure.
Just a second. Gajalakshmi, I'm giving you the presenter access, okay?
Sure.
You can share the screen now. Raghu also replied. Okay.
Yeah, sharing. So this is what I'm getting, Abhi.
Okay, so you have not. Where is your landing content? You have not taken the landing content. I think so. Open your landing.component.html. Go to the landing folder. Move up. Where is your landing core component? Below the headers.
Yes,
Correct. Landing.component.html. You have not taken the contents. Then how it will render that specific content, right?
Okay, I would have missed it.
So go to the another folder. Not here. That another project, right? Where you have landing content, correct?
This one? Okay,
Already.
I'll copy this and
Just a second. Go to the line number 45 quickly.
45 is it? Okay.
45. Just select now. till 70 something, I think so. Just a second. 60 till 60.
Okay.
Copy it. Go to the landing dock component.html, remove, select all, Control A, Control V. Save it. Now, quickly go to that landing.html file. Another folder, another Visual Studio Code, not here. Line number 63 to 65. 63
Okay.
to 65. 65, 3 lines only. Copy it. Go to the footer component.html. Footer. Move up, just above the header. Correct. Remove everything and paste it. Go to the UI and check it now. Except image, it should render everything. Chalo.
Yeah, correct. Yes.
Yeah, go to the landing dot, that another Visual Studio Code quickly. This image folder, right? Image folder is there, correct? Image folder, copy it. Copy the image folder.
This one showcase.jpg.
No.
Or
I'm
the
saying
whole folder.
copy the folder, correct?
Okay.
Go to Angular project now. There you can find out under the SRC, you can find out assets folder. Minimize the app. Minimize not SRC. Below that, below the SRC app is there. Below that assets. Right click on the assets and paste it. Done. Now go to the another Visual Studio Code. Go to the CSS folder. Copy this content. No. Copy the content. Don't copy the file. Copy the content.
Okay.
Control A, Control C. Okay, people. Now in her system, right? I'm showing you the global CSS, including in how to include the global CSS. Okay. So there you will find out styles.css, correct? Could you please open that file? Already open.
Yeah.
Control A. Remove everything. No, not there. Paste it now. Save it. Okay, now up scroll. In the not here. Up scroll. Now here it's giving you the error, correct? Why? Because of path.
Yeah. Okay.
Correct. Now could you please go to the line number 7? Remove this entire content between these parentheses.
Okay.
Remove it.
I'll delete this.
Now use .. Are you able to see SRC folder?
Yeah.
Pick it. Assets. Second. Image URL.
Okay.
Pick it. Pick that image. Save it now.
It's compiled.
That's it. Done.
Super. Thank you so much.
Yeah, it's okay. Don't say it.
Okay.
In the chat,
Hello.
you have shared this style sheet. Where should we paste it?
I'll tell you.
I'll stop sharing the screen.
Yes. You stop the sharing the screen, okay? I'll show it now. Harsh, have a look over here. Harsh, now this content, right? I'm going to remove it from my landing.component.css, correct? Now, Harsh, are you able to see this style.css?
Yes.
Under the SRC. Okay, now before pasting the content right over there, people, again I'll open angular.json and here I'll show it to you. Well, in the starting of this second half, correct, we talked about how your index.html and main.ts are linked, correct, over here. In the same way, your asset folder is also linked, correct. In the same way, styles.cs is also linked or not? So whatever the stuff that you will put it into styles.css, will it be considered for your application ka global level CSS or not? Now I'll paste it. Now we'll have a look over here. Now this path, do we need to change it or not? Because location is changed, so path will vary. Agree? // src assets image name. Save it. So now instead of applying for a specific component, I shifted it to global CSS or not?
Light up.
Yes, Venkata?
Yeah, nothing. Yes.
Oh, okay, sorry. People, did you get the point now?
Yes, Abhi, I have one question.
Yes, Mati, tell me. Hello, Mati, what is your question? Could you please tell me?
So Abhi, are you able to hear me?
Yes, Mati, now you're audible.
Yeah, okay. So we have the global CSS, right? That style.css. So what is the difference between that style.css and then that app module CSS we have? Because app module CSS should also be available for all the components within the application, right?
Correct. But only one thing is there, okay? When you talk about this global CSS, okay, that is nothing but this styles.css, right? It may happen that, Mati, you think from application perspective, okay? Some static contents, Mati, can I directly write it into, or can I directly include into my index.html or not?
Yes.
We can do this part, right? So there also some formattings are required, some CSS specifications are required, point number one. And the same kind of CSS specifications are used in my application also. So instead of defining the same CSS stuff at two places, can I define it at one place or not?
Okay.
You got the point. That's the reason this CSS styles.css is referred as global CSS. Now, did you get the point?
Okay. Yes. So any change we do in index.html, we cannot achieve it from that app module CSS. We cannot refer from there. So we are doing from style.css.
Yes. We increase the global scope, right? See, have a look.
Yeah.
I'll tell you. Component. Now think about it. The limitation is only for that component or not? Agree?
Yes.
Just again, sorry. Limited to component. Limited to app module, right? And limited to application. That's the reason this one is referred as global one. Correct? Did you get the point or not?
Yeah.
Okay. Sure. Next thing.
Abhi, if I refer at landing.css in that global instead of style.css, if I give the path of landing.css, that will act like a global one, right?
No. What you're saying? Instead of
that style.css, right? In that place, if I give the path of the landing.css.
No. Deepak, it will be applied to the component level only.
Okay.
Deepak, have a look over here. Where it is placed. Is it placed under the SRC or not?
Okay.
First point.
Okay.
First point. Second point is, now when you talk about this landing.css, right? This landing.css, is it applicable only for the landing component or not? Correct.
Yes.
So in short, whatever the CSS you will put it into your landing component, right? It has a scope of that component only. Outside component we can't access. Got the point?
Yes.
That's the reason I have written limited to component.
The Art Channel membership. If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the 399 plan and grow your skills immensely.
Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest.
Thanks for watching.